Here we go, new area. They like the young elephant grass. See, they really like the elephant grass at that stage when it's just barely regrowing. Look at that. They're devouring that stuff. Look at that, it's a feeding frenzy. So there's our trough, and then the pond is right over there. Okay, they know where the water is now. This is an interesting size, you know, to learn. We're gonna have to really hurry to set up the next area. They're gonna like the next area a lot more. It's just pure bracardia over there. Oh, look at that. They love the elephant grass when it's at that stage, huh? I give these trees a chance. Yeah, they really like the minerals.
No quería probar nada de.
So we just moved them into a new area. You can see we put in this perimeter by weed whacking. Just we want to make sure the fence is really hot, since these cows are new to this whole idea of electric fencing. But basically we can measure out an area based on the alleyways that we have here between the trees. So we just count the number of alleyways to give us an approximation of how far the area should be, or how big the area should be. And then we just count, like in this case we counted 12 rows going down. There's 1, 2, just like that. We counted 12 of those, and then that approximates the same size area as the last area that they were in. You can see they really like this situation here. This is their favorite kind of grass. It's a little tricky putting in these fences sometimes because of the topography of our landscape here. You can see an example right down there. It gets really steep. There's some cows right down there in the shade too. So they've just been in here a half hour. And they really like this kind of grass. Look at how tender it is. It looks extremely lush just because it's been in the shade of these trees.
Golden, golden. Golden berry. Manchita.